Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Gamali. So today I'm going to explore that how it could be possible to learn this language without stretching over grammar, without memorize a single rule of grammar. So trust me, it is a very crucial topic. Don't miss this video. If you wanna speak this language very confidently, very smoothly, and very fastly, so you have to stay with me till the end in this video. Don't skip this video, don't miss this video. First of all, I would like to say, if you are new over, please subscribe this channel, as well as you can press the bell icon and you get easily notification. So let's further start. So I will tell you one thing. How did you learn your mother tongue? You can say mother tongue is very easy. No need to any going anywhere, no need to any going institute, no need to any teacher. If when we are learning our grammar, our native, so it is, you can say, it is surrounding ourselves. That's why it is easy for learning this language. But now it's let's come to the point. Now I'm going to explore that English language is next language. So how it could be possible to learn this language without stretching over grammar, without memorizing a single rule of grammar? Yes, it is right. And your question is, it could not possible. So I will tell you one thing. If you want to speak confidently, if you want to explore your thought, if you want to uh, speak in front of people, so first you have to immerse yourself English language. You have to surrounding, create environment, surround yourself, that it could be possible learn this language. But some people has question like, there is no any environment, there is no any partner. So I will tell you, this is only misunderstanding, because I am a villager person. I am a background belong to in Hindi medium. So how it could be possible for me? You can say I was learning that this language that time, so I was not able to. I don't have any things like, I don't have any environment, any partner, any person who support me, who help me. But I am a very passionate about to learning this language. That's why I am able to speak this language. If you have desire, if you really want to speak this language, and after learning this language, you get opportunity, you get lots of opportunity. Like you are able to speak, you are able to speak this language. In this language, anybody, you are able to, you will be able to read any poster, you will be able to teach any children. Yeah. And you have to knowledge, lots of knowledge, and you can do it anything. So, and how it could be possible, like how to immerse yourself, how to create yourself, surrounding yourself in English language. So you have a smartphone, and there are lots of web series, cartoons, movies, horror movies, all things in English language. So you can start watching. Initial days you have lot of problem, like you don't understand, you couldn't understand English language. But it is a right way, it is a very significant. If you want to speak this language confidently, so you have to first immerse yourself, surrounding yourself in English language. That after that you can see yourself how it could be possible, how your mind is observing English, all sentences, all grammar rule, all things you can understand easily. No need to going any speak anywhere, and no need to any read any grammar rule. So that's why. And speaking part is a very significant, very crucial topic. If you wanna speak English, So suppose you are observing lot of things, but you are you understand all this in an English language, but you have not practiced every day, so you can't able to speak this language. That's why you have to immerse yourself in English language first, and after that, apart from that, you have to speak very fluently. You can say talk self. You have to talk self every day. No need to any partner who's talk to you. No, you have to phone. You can record your voice. You can record your video, and that you can practice mirror. You can mirror practice. You can do anything. So, and after 1 month, after 2 months, you can see how your mind is observing lot of English environment, lot of English sentences and word. So it is a very right process if you want to become a good speaker in future. So if you apply these techniques, if you apply in order to become a good speaker, this technique, so it is a very helpful. If you like my videos, so please support me, like, share, subscribe.